Hello kids, welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the beautiful cow with beautiful colors and glitters. Pink color, I like the cow animal. Yellow color, brown color, red color, orange color, light green color, yellow color, dark green color, purple color. My favorite part is glitter time. Blue, red glitter,
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife.
orange glitter,
Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
pink glitter,
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
yellow glitter,
The dog takes the cat, the dog takes
dark
the
green
cat.
glitter,
Hi ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi ho
Light green
the
glitter.
dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse.
Wow, kids, our beautiful cow with beautiful colors and glitters are ready. Please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.
Takes the cheese.